Welcome back to another property tour. If we haven't met before, I'm Vicky Bryant, your local realtor for the South Atlanta suburbs. I help people from all over the United States find their perfect home here in this beautiful area, and I welcome the opportunity to help you as well. Today, we're going to explore a charming historic home in Senoia, Georgia, which is a suburb of Atlanta, and I'm going to show you what homes in Gent property in Senoia, Georgia look like. This sought-after and highly desirable neighborhood is walking distance from historic downtown Senoia and offers a truly classic and captivating vibe, and all of the homes here have a very unique floor plan. There's no cookie cutter here. Today we will take a closer look at this beautiful 3-bed, 2.5-bath home offering 2,480 square feet of living space. It was built in 2014 as a prop for the famous TV show The Walking Dead and is now available for sale, and it can be yours for $825,000. The best feature of this home, in my humble opinion, is its location. It's right next to the pond and offers exceptional views of water and gardens in the Gent property from your master bedroom and the upstairs bath. However, I need you to let me know, what do you think about this home? If you enjoyed this video today, do me a favor, hit that like button on your screen, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more videos like this one. So let's get right into the tour. Make sure you watch the next video on your screen to learn more about what living in Senoia, Georgia might look like for you.